Good morning, everybody. Today is going to be a clean with me video because my house right now is a little bit of a disaster for a couple reasons. One, it is beautiful outside the last little bit. All the snow has melted and there's sand and dirt everywhere because I take my dog and the baby for walks on a hiking trail. So as much as I try and keep that, they're like Duke's paws clean and everything like that, the sand and the muck and the dirt just finds its way in the house, and so I really need to clean. And I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what happens in the mornings before I pick up. So I thought I would just film kind of what I do every morning. My baby girl, Blake, she naps around this time. She'll sleep till about 10 o'clock. So I have about an hour, hour and a half to clean my whole house. So this is gonna be also a speed clean because I don't have a lot of time to do like a deep clean or anything like that. So let me just show you guys the mess that is my house right now, because oh my God. I guess it's not terrible, but it's pretty bad. So in the mornings, like I've got a drying mat there. Her toys are just kind of everywhere. Her bib's there. I have my breast pump attachment in the sink that's dirty, and her little baby bowl and spoon that's dirty. Her high chair tray is dirty. We have a nunny over there. We've got an empty breast bottle. We've got her toys over there. What is that? A lid for the bottle there. Her cereal is out, and we have an empty milk carton. The vacuum is out. I've got spots. You probably can't tell, but there are paw prints on the floor from my dog, so I have to vacuum. And I have tripod. I have that much laundry to do. I've got Colin's pants here. I have my breast pump over here. There's books. There's Colin's socks on the floor. There's a glass over there. The pillows are out of order. I've got my Birkenstocks that I ordered just kind of sitting here. So I have all that laundry to do, and I need to like sweep and vacuum, and I have to wash the floors and just kind of basically pick up the house and tidy up. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna film it. So let's get going and clean this house before baby girl decides to wake up. Thank you guys for watching my power hour speed clean with me. I do this almost every single day, especially now that it's spring because all the sand gets in the house. I don't wash the pillow covers every day. Obviously, I do that probably once every couple of months just to like refresh them. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you want to see more cleaning videos from me, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on more deep cleaning stuff. And I also I have a lot of stuff to organize in this house. So if you want to follow me and subscribe, then you will not miss out on any of those videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.